So A to X. And the quantity here should be in number of truck. Be specific with the decision variable unit. Đúng không các bạn? Yeah. You should be very careful. So if I enter number one here, I do mean that I should ship one truck from A to X. Alright. Now, $40 for the cost from A to X, 25 for the cost from A to 2. Right. Similarly, we have the cost for each piggery to factory to piggery. Now we are going to find the total cost. Alright. How to find the total cost? We use the sum product function. Yeah. And when we take the sum of the product of the cost and the number of the truck from a factory to the piggery. Alright. So this is 65, yeah. We'll double check. 0 here, so it's 40, so it's good. 0 here, and it should be 45, so it's good now. So 45 and 95. Okay, so it's good. Now you got to find the total supply from A, B, and C to the piggery. So if you want to find the supply from A, then assign number 1 for the roof. Start from A. So it's starting. Alright. So start from A, so 1, A, 1. All the rest will be assigned number 0. Alright. So can you find the total number of trucks supplied from A to X, Y, and Z? We use sum product is number and the number of the truck transfer. Alright. Take the absolute cell reference, the range reference, because we are going to copy it down there. Okay. Similarly for the supply of B, so we start from B. For the supply from C, start from C, and C. Now, what about the demand from X? Right. From A to X, so we assign number 1 here. From B to X, so it should be 1 there. Alright, 1 there. What about Y demand? Same thing. 1. Is it 1? Not 1. Are you with me? Now, you compare the results with the condition. Alright, following the questions. Here we go. Where is the condition? Yeah. The condition is each piggery has their limited grain storage, must equal to the demand of 150, 70, and 60. Alright, so the demand is 150, 70, and 60. Alright, you should transfer as demanded. Các bạn có cung cấp nhiều hơn mà cái người ta muốn không ạ? Bạn đặt một cái gì nhỉ? Một cái son môi à? Sau đó shipper nó ship cho bạn 2 cái son môi, các bạn tính bạn tiền gấp đôi, bạn có nhảy lên không? Chắc chắn đúng không? So the demand, what you ship and what they receive should be equal. Make sense? Alright. Now, for the supply here cannot be greater than your capacity. Alright. This is the capacity. Capacity of A, B, and C are 120, 80, and 80 truck. So 120, 80, and 80. You should not produce more than what you are capable of. So it is smaller than or equal. So now we have everything that we need: decision, objective, and constraint. All what we need to do is to do the solver. Click on data, solver, We settle. Okay. Now the objective is the total cost. Should we maximize the total cost? Nói một cái vui xíu nhé. Ngày xưa khi mà thầy cho bài mà cho vào max thì hầu như các bạn không sai. Maximizing không sai bởi vì nó là default. Nhưng nếu mà thầy cho vào min một cái là rất nhiều bạn sẽ là maximize the cost. Alright. Yeah. Về trừ điểm rất lớn, rất là nặng. Okay. Anyway, we have to minimize the total cost. Now, what are the changing variable cells? They are decision variable. Okay, decision variable. Now the constraint, should the number of truck be decimal? No, they should not be decimal. They should be integer. Right. Now, be careful. I want the number be at least 0. Because I am going to minimize something, so I got to make sense that the number should not be a negative number. Okay? Next one, easy now. The result, the supply should be less than the maximum capacity. Continue, the demand should be exactly equal to the demand. The demand here means the total number of trucks sent to each Pickering should be here. Right. Now, select the simplex LP and click solve. Bravo. Bravo. Okay. So we have that. Được chưa nhỉ cả lớp? Rồi, đây là một cái form chuẩn để chúng ta theo. Ngoài ra trên thị trường